Here's how to create a QR code for a WhatsApp group. First step, go over to WhatsApp and click on your group, and then click on your group's profile or your group's info, and then scroll down and select the invite via link option right over here. And then you can easily click on the QR code option, and this should be your QR code for your WhatsApp group. So you can easily screenshot this QR code and save it to your gallery, or you can easily share this QR code but the easiest way will just to be to screenshot it, and whenever someone wants to join the group, you can easily send them the screenshot and they can easily scan it and they'll be able to join the group, or you can easily share it and someone will be able to still join the group. So that's how you can easily create a QR code for a WhatsApp group. So that said, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.